ways you can skin it. My feet have been on the floor flat like an idle singer. Love, that's enough for me. Took a loan on a house I own. Can't be a queen bee without a bee thrown from everything. Hold our cell phones up in the air and just be glad that we made it here alive.
Alright, aloha, welcome aboard everybody. So we got Nancy and Sue. You ladies are going to share that mic, okay? And then we got Michael and Dan.
That's impossible.
Do you want me to sing?
Sue, did you see the video in front of the pilot?
That's right, you're movie stars. We'll make a video of the whole thing. Alright, here we go.
Hip, hip. Hip, hip. You're on a holiday. You can't find the words to say. All the things that come to you, and I wanna feel it too. On an island in the sun.
If it's your first time flying in a helicopter, raise your hand. First time in a helicopter. Yeah, me too. Bad joke, I apologize, Sue. I've been flying helicopters about 17 years. Began in the U.S. Army, 8 years in the Army flying Blackhawks.
Hey, is this button on the back of Sue's seat, is that the ejection button?
Might be, one way to find out.
Do not encourage him.
Okay. Welcome back. Alright, thanks again everybody. You can take off seatbelts and headsets. Just rotate that dial on the front. Rotate it. There you go. We'll get the doors for you after shutdown.